What up, y'all? Creek Fish Kelp here. Today, sorry, this gum's really good. Today, me and Dad, we're gonna go to Sandy Chapel, little place. It's pretty cool, pretty secluded. It's that good sauce for top water. I'm the only one that's gonna be on the yak. He's gonna be on the bank. I probably won't be catching big fish, but I think I'll be catching numbers, honestly. That's sad, but I'm gonna be doing this over 3 days. Just taking 2 rods with me. One's gonna have a whopper plopper on it. It's a sexy shag color. And then the other rod is gonna have a cool little swim bait on it. But I'm not planning to really use that rod much because I'm wanting some top water action. But anyways, let's kick it.
Got him. Got him on the whopper plopper. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Come here, bud. All right, so today they want the whopper plopper. A good fish. Rod. All right, look at that. Fish number 1. Woo. All right, bud. Oh, he's got it now. Come here, bud. No! Gosh darn it. Well, there goes another one. Got him. Come here, come here, come here. You're a good one. Wasn't really on there good. There it is. Fish number 2 on the same bait. Got him. Yeah, he's a small one. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Got him. Got him. Got him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stay under. Stay under. Stay under. Stay under. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're barely hooked. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you are. Number 3. Dang it! Big one. Hit it real hard. Alright, here at Sandy Chapel, day 2. I'm with Willie P. Me and him are trying to catch some thick fish today on some top water. Got him, got him. He's a good one. No! Dang. I shouldn't have played with him. Well, now I feel good. Nut. Sacco. Got him, got him. No! Dang it. Got him. This time, I think I can get him in. No! Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Don't.
Why not? It's the golf prop.
It's the golf prop. Day 3, me and Dad are at the same place. I'm gonna be trying the swim bait out a little more. I was looking at the bed bass. That was just a little bit back there. They like it when I work it like a jig. Got him. Oh God, come on, man. What is this? Hey, I got the tiniest bass. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Top water. Look at that. He's like a little shad. Got him. Yeah, it's a largie. Oh man. Whoa, wrong side. It's fish number 2. Look at that. Look at that lip. Poor thing. There's number 2. Got him. Lay down, lay down. Oh! No. That was... Oh! Got him. What? Just a little largemouth. There we go. He's small, but something.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It was pretty fun making it. Second day freaking sucked because every fish I caught, lost my breath. Every fish I caught just came off. And that sucked. But made it up on the third day, so that's okay. If you haven't, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Why am I out of breath? Leave a comment, tell them how I'm doing. And I'm hicking sunburn, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.